Hi friends, today we are going to do this fun fine motor activity, and for this activity you need a construction paper, few paper clips and a magnet. So I'm using this two magnets, small magnets bar here because we have right now I have those at my home. You can use like how many like if you have magnet at your home, it's okay. If you don't have, that is okay, that is fine. So let's start this activity. So for this activity, gather all those items, set them on the counter, and have the kids fit as many paper clips as possible around the edges of the construction paper. Okay, so my son remarked the paper looked like a picture frame when he had all the paper clips around his paper. So let's when you start doing that, try to count those paper clips like 1, 2, 3, 4. You might feel it's a little bit tricky, but just keep on trying and you will figure it out like how to do it. 5. So you can put all the clips on the edge of this construction paper and make a beautiful frame out of it. So removing the paper clip with hands, like after you're done with this activity, removing this paper clip with hand is really easy, but there is a fun way to do it. You can use this magnet to do it. It's a little bit tricky. See, but it's fun. So grab a magnet and remove those paper clips after you are done. And I mean, if you want to like you can have a race out of it, like let's see how many paper clips you are going to put in one on this paper in 1 minute. Or you can play like you can draw a line on this paper here. Then after that, put this paper clip here. My magnet is here underneath this paper, and now my pen is traveling. So you can make any kind of shape, any kind of line here, and try to use this magnet to move this pin from one point to another point. This is a very simple fine motor activity, but kids can learn a lot from it. Like how magnet works. Parents, you can ask them a question like, hey kid, do you know what is magnetic force? So and if they don't know, I mean at this age it's really difficult to understand the force and everything, but you can tell them in the simple word that magnetic force is a force of certain substance which pull together and repel other objects. This activity can teach them about the science. They can count all the paper clips. They can make different shapes. So this activity can teach them about the math too. So it's very simple activity, but it's very much like a learning activity. You can learn a lot from this activity. Okay, so try it at home and let Miss Shweta know if you like this activity or not. Okay, bye.